Car is not in park at the stop sign. Okay, for this rough idle issue, I have cleaned the throttle body. I have replaced the idle air control valve. I have replaced all 6 spark plugs. I've had this replaced, the fuel injector, whatever the hell it's called, a new wire set. I had the gasket replaced on the engine because it was leaking oil, and I've adjusted the set screw, which I really shouldn't have done. That was per another mechanic's recommendation. I've added Lucas lubricant to the gasoline, and none of it's worked. I mean, it works great on the highway, but low speeds or going back and forth, like we were trying to find a parking space, trying to get a Christmas tree, and the car stalled multiple times. It was really embarrassing. Yeah, we put a Christmas tree on our Jeep. Family tradition, but anyway, it's time to try what I should have tried at the very beginning. I don't know if it's going to work yet, but this is the throttle body sensor. I don't know. Throttle body position sensor. TPS. Oh, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Jeez, who's got that bass, son? Standard. One fails, trust standard. Let's go to O'Reilly, get a standard, just say throttle body position sensor. Here's the part number. It was like $60 with tax. So the throttle body position sensor is this guy where this white plug goes into right here for Jeep Wranglers. This is the idle air control valve, and this is the throttle body position sensor. Here, let me turn on the light. So you can see this one, the idle air control valve is longer. And this is the shorter one is the throttle body position sensor. This is what we're going to be replacing today. I've already replaced this, it didn't work. So now I'm going to try this. So I got a flathead screwdriver. Just push down this tab and push it back to get it off. The plug off. Now we just need to get these screws out. Can't see what screws those are. And it may be easier just to take the throttle body off and then take this off. I heard these were an issue. T20, it's a T20 screw. This keeps popping off because it's in there pretty good. Man, photobombed. But anyway, quit admiring the people that are healthier than me right now, okay? We got work to do, all right? Quit checking out my neighbors, okay? All right? T20 screw. I'm taking the throttle body out. It's not that hard. It's just these. There's 4 mounting bolts. I just gotta, I don't know, pull this thing off. I've done it multiple times. I'm just gonna do it again. Make sure it's clean and get that off. But yeah, you take that off, and then I gotta use my flathead to take off this hose clamp. Loosen it up, pull this off, just wiggle it out. Alright, looks pretty clean. Alright, now I gotta take this hose off with the flathead. I'll put the phone down and do that one. Same thing, just give pressure to this part and slide it back. So that's off, this hose is off. May have to take this hose off. This one you can just press off. And then it's just these mounting bolts, which are right here. It's just a 10mm socket. These 4 bolts. Just let me do it. Hang on. Just loosen them, then do them by hand. Get them out. Or just get them loose and then you can just pick the whole thing up. This is burning my hand, but you get the money shot. Just pull it straight up. I forgot to detach this thing. That thing was still attached. You just press it off and it'll pop off. So you pop these 2 things off, unscrew these mounting bolts, unplug the hoses, and here we are with the throttle body. Looks pretty clean to me. Alright, there is the throttle position sensor. Now let's see these screws. Yep. They are definitely T20. Alright, I'm going to get a screwdriver and get these out. Screws are out, but be careful. Go slow. Because the last thing you want is a stripped screw. That's what she said? No. Okay. I don't know. Because they were tighter than a... yeah, I'm not even going to go there. Alright, just be careful on these screws, okay guys? Don't strip them because they're in there tight. Alright, so this is the old throttle body position sensor, which is good because it tells me what, because I got a rubber piece just like that on the new one. I'm liking how old this looks. I have no idea. The prongs look clean, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace it, test it out. This is original, almost 21-year-old throttle body position sensor, so let's see if this was it, instead of changing out all those other things that didn't even matter. Alright, here's the new one. Here's the new one, and it came with this, so I guess I put it laces out. Laces out. Ray Finkel Einhorn. Holes line up. Plugs up top. Simple enough. Screw it on. Oh yeah, it's going to be much easier to take the throttle body off just to do this. To clean it, I just got this throttle body cleaner. I've had this. And you just press it open. Give it a couple sprays, or you can turn it here, hold it. Smells weird. You just clean it. Yeah. Ah, gunk. Alright, screwed in these bolts, put this plug back, put these two plugs back on, push this down, tighten that screw. Now I need to add these two. This you just pull and snap on. This one you press on. Alright, now it's time to check it out. Wish me luck, guys. This has been a year at least trying this. Oh, shit! Easy, boy! Alright, I need to lower the set screw on my... Alright, here we go. Got some Houston traffic. Let's see it. To the stoplight. And go. I like that idle speed. That is good. I like it. Alright, let me get to another stop. Foodorama! Let's test it out. Good. Solid. Solid stop there, guys. Solid stop. What? Alright, yay. Got out of the red light. That's my superpower is red lights, so this is really going to come in handy. Alright, let's see. Whatever, they know I'm turning. I love it. Throttle Position Sensor. TPS. My new favorite 3 letters in the alphabet. TPS. Oh my gosh. Couple of Java, live from Houston. Get your throttle body position sensor. I shouldn't be doing this while driving. Thank you, have a good day. Smash that subscribe button if it works for you. Alright, bye. At a stop sign. At a stop sign. Steady. Steady. Throttle position sensor. That's it.